Top 5 2-in-1 laptops in 2022. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Peek. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 2-in-1 laptops in 2022. In this video, we will break down the best 2-in-1 laptops of 2022 based on the technical features, display, portability and price. We are all aware of what a laptop is and what a tablet is. But what if I tell you that you can get both just in one device? Well, that's a 2-in-1 laptop, and they are absolutely awesome. 2-in-1 laptops are just laptops you can flip on 360 degrees and turn and bend them into a tablet. At the very beginning, the consumer didn't trust too much the performance of these devices. But as soon as the years passed and the technology of these laptops advanced, this type of device became an affordable and breathtaking option. No more talking from me, let's dive right into the top 5 2-in-1 laptops in 2022. I really hope you all enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated with the latest technology videos out there. If you love this video, just let me know in the comments. 5. HP Elite Dragonfly G2. If you are a businessman, this device could be the right one for you. It has a durable battery life, 11th gen Intel Core and a 4K display. Besides, it's considered one of the best HP laptops for most bloggers due to its specs and its performance. We all knew the power of this laptop when its predecessor, the HP Elite Dragonfly, came up to the market, and we couldn't expect less for a further version of the device. We are talking about a thin and light laptop which impressed us in TechPeek because we couldn't believe how so powerful components could fit in a tiny laptop like this one. It was designed for a business or executive audience, but it can be used by anyone. HP designed it thinking in those executives or entrepreneurs who use it in their quotidian life. It has a 4K touchscreen, which allows you to flip the laptop and convert it into a tablet, ideal to take notes in a meeting, for example. Due to its powerful battery life, you can use the laptop all the working day without having to plug it. Besides, when you put the device on sleep mode, the battery doesn't bleed like other Windows laptops. It has a good-looking blue metallic design with some details in silver that give it the touch. The dimensions of the laptop are 11.98 by 7.78 by 0.63 inches. It has a large amount of USB and HDMI ports, so you don't have to carry an adapter on your backpack. The big disadvantage of this laptop is its price. It costs $1,899 at Amazon in its 13.3 inches version. 4. Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Yoga Gen 6. In case you are looking for a 2-in-1 laptop with a 16:10 display, this device is perfect for you. It was built on a grey aluminium frame. Some people like it and find it useful. Some others, like me, find it senseless. But the true fact is that the computer comes with a red cursor button right in the middle of the keyboard. Its weight of only 3 pounds turns this laptop into a comfortable device that allows you to transport it everywhere you want. This laptop has a battery life of at least 9 hours, 16 gigabytes of RAM, a 14-inch touchscreen and 512 gigabytes of storage. This recent year, the brand new model of this laptop included an Intel Tiger Lake processor, becoming it the first model to count with the Evo certification. This device strongly competes with another item on this list, the HP Elite Dragonfly G2, due to its similar characteristics, its performance, and the large number of ports included in each one. In case you are into the laptop world, you should know Lenovo is well recognized for its keyboards. They have an excellent typing quality and they are highly treatable. It has half-sized arrow keys like most of the Lenovo ThinkPads. The laptop includes 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, as well as an HDMI port and a USB Type-A port. As we all know, 2-in-1 laptops are expensive, and we are not in front of an expectation. The current price on Amazon of this product starts at $1,493 on its cheaper version, and could reach a price of up to $2,315 on the official Lenovo website. 3. Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5. The Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5 has an 11th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, 16GB of RAM and a 512GB SSD, among other features. The laptop is unbelievably flexible, making it simple to transform quickly into a tablet. Its features help to deliver a formidable user experience when you use it. One big disadvantage of this laptop, according to some bloggers around the web, is its memory. The size of the 15.6-inch screen helps a lot to the user when using it as a tablet, giving it a wide and open screen to take notes, make drawings, edit, or do any task you are used to doing. The design of this laptop is far away from simple. We are not talking about a cheap-looking design, but all the opposite. Its design makes it look like an expensive and high-performance laptop, a fact that we are not sure if we can affirm as we didn't test it yet. The laptop was built and designed in the first place with slim side bezels. In this laptop, you will find an HDMI port, a USB-C port, and 2 USB Type-A ports. One big advantage compared with other 2-in-1 laptop models is the 720p webcam, in case you join video conferences with frequency or just need it for other tasks. The current price on Amazon is $1,399. 2. Microsoft Surface Pro 8. We are probably in front of one of the most affordable 2-in-1 laptops with the highest performance in the market. With this laptop, you will get an elegant design with a larger display than its predecessor, the Surface Pro 7. Also, you can find in this laptop some incredible features, such as the 11th generation Intel Core i7. Its dimensions are 0.37 by 11.3 by 8.2 inches, and it weighs 1.96 pounds. When you turn it into a tablet, the Microsoft Surface Pro 8 has a higher performance even more than a single tablet. One big innovation of this model is its graphite design, giving it an expensive and more elegant view of the device. Its bezels are the smallest in the history of this model, and that helps when you turn it into tablet mode, as it doesn't feel so thick. The device has a 13-inch display, including 1440p and 4K definition. It looks like Bill Gates' company put a lot of thinking when designing this model. Despite being stupidly fast, it preserves long battery life. This ratio of performance battery life is really important and is difficult to keep the right way. As we already said, this product is the most affordable on this list, and it assures high performance. Its current price on Amazon starts at $999. 1. HP X360 14. The first and most marvelous feature of this laptop is its design. It has a sturdy black chassis. It has a 3:2 aspect ratio screen with OLED technology. The screen is 13% bigger than its predecessors due to the aspect ratio mentioned before. Talking about design options, you can pick between Nightfall Black, Poseidon Blue, and Natural Silver. I highly recommend you to watch reviews, videos and photos of each model before making a decision, because all of them are absolutely astonishing. This model comes with the HP MPP 2.0 pen that can be attached magnetically to the side of the device. In addition to the screen, which is the main advantage of this laptop, it includes an Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. That's for the standard version. Like in many laptops, when you buy them, you can upgrade these features along with other ones included in the laptop. The battery life is on average 10 hours, which allows you to work unplugged for an entire workday. The keyboard is great, sensible to the touch, and speaker's sound is good, and it has a fingerprint sensor. One big disadvantage of this laptop is the programs pre-installed on it that send automatic notifications all the time. Some of them, and the most annoying ones, are Netflix, ExpressVPN, McAfee, among others. The current price of this laptop on the official HP website starts at $1,159. That's a wrap for the top 5 2-in-1 laptops in 2022. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so you don't miss any technology videos like this one. If you love this video, I highly recommend you to watch this video here on the top left about the 9 spy gadgets you can actually buy. Well, see you in the next one. Take care.